In this video, I'm sharing the top 5 simple ways to save money on coffee without sacrificing your caffeine fix. Whether you're a daily coffee drinker or an occasional sipper, these tips will help you keep more cash in your wallet. Brew at home. Investing in a good coffee maker or French press allows you to brew your favorite coffee at home for a fraction of the cost of buying it from a cafe every day. Choose quality coffee beans or grounds and experiment with different brewing methods to find your perfect cup. Not only will you save money, but you'll also enjoy the convenience of having your coffee exactly the way you like it, whenever you want. Buy in bulk. Purchasing coffee beans or grounds in larger quantities when they are on sale can significantly reduce your cost per cup. Look for deals at local grocery stores or online retailers. Store your coffee properly in an airtight container to maintain freshness and flavor for longer periods. Skip the specialty drinks. While tempting, specialty coffee drinks like lattes, mochas, and frappuccinos come with a hefty price tag. Opt for simpler and cheaper alternatives such as brewed coffee, Americanos, or espresso shots. If you're craving flavor, consider adding syrups or spices at home for a fraction of the cost. Utilize loyalty programs and coupons. Many coffee shops offer loyalty programs that reward frequent customers with discounts or free drinks. Sign up for these programs to maximize your savings. Additionally, keep an eye out for coupons or promotional offers that can further reduce the cost of your coffee purchases. Bring your own cup. Several coffee shops offer discounts to customers who bring their own reusable cups. Not only does this help you save money on each purchase, but it also contributes to reducing single-use plastic waste. Invest in a durable and portable travel mug that keeps your coffee hot and your wallet happy. By incorporating these practical tips into your coffee routine, you'll be able to enjoy your favorite brew while keeping your budget intact. Whether you prefer a classic cup of black coffee or enjoy experimenting with different flavors, these strategies will ensure that your coffee habit remains affordable and satisfying. Join me as we navigate the world of coffee savings together. Remember to hit the like button if you found these strategies helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips and tricks. Join our community of savvy savers. Let's brew smarter together.